Hello, today I want to show a circular pattern. So we have our object here that we want to rotate about a origin point. So let's choose circular pattern, choose our entity, axis. Notice it's not letting me choose the origin right now. So let me choose this selector made, and now it lets me choose it, but I want the blue line to be facing up and down, same as this right here. So when I see that, let me keep rotating around until I get that blue. There we go, right there. Now you can see it automatically threw it 4 times around, so we can actually choose it to be pretty much an infinite number. And if we want, they are all separate right now, but if we want them to be all united, we would go with add and then merge with the very first one. And now they're all one piece. Thanks for watching. Bye.